It's super annoying to get that drag lock icon to unlock thing in games. Here are 2 easy ways to turn it off so your screen doesn't dim while you're playing. Using Gaming Hub. Open Gaming Hub. Tap the 3 dots menu, then go to Game Booster. Scroll down to Auto Touch Protection and set it to Never. From inside a game, launch your game and wait until the screen dims and shows drag lock icon to unlock. Tap the lock icon. Set screen timeout to never. That's it, no more interruptions while you play. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like the video and subscribe for more quick tips.